UTTC will be offering animal disease response training, and here's Economic Development Director Barb Schmitt to explain more about the new program.
Okay. Okay. Sounds good. We'll talk to you later. Thanks, John. Okay, bye. We entered into a partnership with Kirkwood College out of Cedar Rapids, Iowa, Kirkwood Community College, and we were approached last fall to offer some Train the Trainer and animal disease response training. We have some contracts with the EPA currently right now to do a subcontract for contracts and grants management. They got our name for some of the individuals that I work with at that organization. And we received a phone call from Kirkwood saying that they would like to work with United Tribes Technical College in offering a Train the Trainer and animal disease response training. So we held that in January. For 2 days, we had some tribal members from North Dakota and South Dakota attend the training, as well as staff members here at United Tribes. At that training, we learned how to do animal processing in case of an event that happens on the reservation where, say, salmonella or with the cows, how to properly dispose of them. So those 2 days were spent learning how to teach other individuals on the reservation, the emergency managers. From there, once we received the certificates, there's 4 individuals here at United Tribes that received their certificate. It'll be myself, Arden Boxer, Stacy Eichen, Jen Jenisek Hartman, and Debbie Payne. We will start offering these trainings on animal disease response training to the reservations, and our first session is actually April 14th up in Newtown. And we are partnering with their Fish and Wildlife Service to bring in about 10 individuals to receive the training. It's a 1 8-hour course, and what they're going to learn is personal protective equipment, where they're going to learn how to put on the personal equipment so that when they're touching, say, animals, they're not going to be infected or contaminated. We're also going to teach them how to dispose of the animals properly. Instead of just letting them lay out in the pastures or whatever, we'll teach them how to identify diseases that are out there, say for chickens, turkeys, because we do have turkey farms here in North Dakota, the pigs, and all kinds of farms. As you know, in North Dakota, we do have a lot of ranchers and farmers, so we're trying to make the individuals aware, the emergency managers, as well as the fish and wildlife on the reservations, aware of all the potential for an event that could happen in North Dakota. Kirkwood Community College down in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, actually was the first college to develop this type of curriculum through a partnership with EPA, through the Environmental Protection Agency, and they were offering this type of training to non-tribal colleges through different colleges in the United States, and they realized that the tribes do need the training. So United Tribes Technical College is the first tribal college in the whole United States to offer this animal disease response training. What they're looking at is for United Tribes to become the tribal liaison for animal disease response training. So that's what we're going to do. I have a team of trainers that will go out and assist the Kirkwood College, because through this training as well, we bring in veterinarians, and they offer training as well as a partnership with us. So when we go out and do the training, we have our trainers who teach the modules. We also have an individual who will teach how to properly put on the personal protective equipment, as well as a veterinarian, and he will teach the actual disposal of the animals. So we have partnerships throughout the United States on this project.